Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days. Hey, Humble Beauties. I've gotten some requests to do a side part Beehive foundation for a traditional sew-in, so let's do it. My client has already been parted. Now I'm going in to section out her leave out. When doing this, it's recommended to do a coverage check to make sure you're leaving enough hair to hide the tracks that are sewn. I also like to part out the edges on the side with the least amount of hair as well, because people typically like to tuck this side behind their ear. As always, my rule of thumb for edges is to part down to where the top of the ear starts. Once you have the desired amount of leave out, you can braid it down or clip it away. I personally like to braid it down because it's easier to install the net afterwards, and it also leaves the foundation clean until it's time to style. Now, when doing your leave out part, you want to make sure that you're collaborating with your client to make sure that they're happy with the parting before you go in and braid it down. And also make sure they're comfortable with the amount of leave out. So this is the part where you kind of talk to them and educate them on what you think is best, but also make sure you guys come to an agreement on what the style is and how they would like it. So now I'm parting out the leave out on the opposite side of the part, but it's important to make sure you follow the curve of the part so that when you go to do the foundation and sew the tracks, everything will curve and it will help your client to blend their hair better. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Next, we'll prepare the start of the beehive by creating one anchor braid on both sides of the leave out. The parting for these braids should be very, very fine because when you sew that last track, you want it to be as flat as possible. These braids will come to crisscross behind the leave out and continue down on both sides of her head to meet in the back.
Maybe in the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm the ghost of it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done. We used to be out of reach.
As you can see, I'm bringing the second anchor braid all the way around and behind the first anchor braid that was braided. From there, you'll continue parting around the perimeter of your client's head. Keep in mind these partings should remain thin since the hair is building as you braid.
Easy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Never wanna dress down. I need to hear from you. And we know you'll tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what it's done. We used to be out of reach.
Notice how I didn't force braiding up her nape? This is key for making sure your braid down is comfortable for your client. From here, you can start parting upward in whichever direction is comfortable to you. I find that continuing towards the side where majority of the hair is sewn is easiest for me, so in this case, it's to the right. You'll start with the braid on the left and feed in the braid on the right as you braid up, and this will merge the braids into one, forming the beehive.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, should've rested me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Let me a war in my mind. Let go away.
Now that you've gotten down how to start the beehive, you'll continue to part around your client's head, making sure the parting remains the same size and following the direction of the pattern that's been created. To kind of free flow through this, I spin my client's chair with my knees, and I also move around the chair from time to time depending on where I'm at on her head. Your body posture really just depends on what's comfortable for you. I even bend down halfway when I get to the back of my client's head to really get into it sometimes. A beehive foundation isn't for the weak, but it'll have your client's foundation lasting for weeks. You guys can continue watching along as I finish out this braid down, and if you have any questions or want to see more steps on my sewing process, let me know in the comments.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.